Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see or view recently opened files on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So a couple different options, but they all involve opening up File Explorer. So if you have it down in your taskbar, go ahead and click on the little folder icon to open up File Explorer. Alternatively, you can also select it or open it through the Start menu search. Just search for File Explorer. You can open it up that way as well. Once you're in File Explorer, you want to select Home at the top left, and then any recent files that you've opened should appear in this drop-down list. So let's say I create a new Word file, or it doesn't really matter. Let's just say a new Word document here. You can see it'll appear underneath Recent. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.